make that look dirty.
Where the fuck are they going?
Hell if I know. I think they got lost.
Yeah.
They got lost.
He got a bigger head.
Look at those ducklings.
Hey man, that ain't good water they drinking, man. You killing the fucking birds. Nah, they drinking. Cut your truck off.
Oh yeah, they drinking that shit from the air conditioner.
No, it's coming out the tailgate.
Oh, they may have wanted some water, but by standing over there. By standing over there. Look at it.
Oh, they finna get hit by the truck.
Did not let Raffle see the motherfuckers. He
What?
put one in his truck.
You serious? Oh yeah.
Raffle. He'll take one of the motherfuckers.
Who?
Raffle. That motherfucker.
I'm not understanding the name.
Hey, brother.
Oh. Motherfuckers drinking it and stepping in it at the same
You can
time.
bathe and drink at the same time. That's amazing, ain't it? Give me a rock.
What?
Motherfucker got there start attacking your ass.
I wouldn't do that, man. I ain't that cool.
Don't pick one up.
You crazy? That he would charge me. He charged me coming with you from looking at the girl.
Yeah.
You was trying to fuck the damn geese,
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, Walt. Walt said,
Hey, man, it's a family video. Watch your language.
Walt, hey, look at it. Walt probably the pappy to one of them. Shit.
Shut
You
up.
probably the pappy to one of them, Walt.
Shut up.